save you up to $350 off your next dreamy vacation. Choose from several warm weather destinations, including Hawaii, Mexico, the Caribbean, and Costa Rica, just to name a few. Mexico warms the soul, the Caribbean relaxes the mind, and the Hawaiian Islands captivate the senses and ignites passion. Stay at an endless array of relaxing resorts ranging from value to luxury. Any sunny destination you choose is sure to beat the winter blues. Call Morris Murdoch today and save up to $350 off your next vacation. Morris Murdoch Travel is the largest seller of Delta vacations in the Intermountain West, so you know you'll be getting a great value. So pack your bags, get out of the cold, and enjoy a well-deserved romantic vacation with the one you love. Restrictions may apply. See morrismurdoch.com/Delta for full terms of this offer. Thursday at 6 o'clock. KBYU, Santa Clara. San Martin's block three-pointer and inter-base jam. BYU basketball. Utah's legacy home of the Cougars. KSL News Radio 102.7 FM and 1160 AM. All right, let's see where the movie show is headed this week. Friday between 9 and noon, they're going to be out at, or 9 and 11, they'll be out at Sound Sleep Medical in Sandy. Free sleep consultations to the first 25 callers. KSL News Time now 6:29. It's time for Triple Team Traffic, brought to you by Mountain America's 3% balance transfer bonus. Here again is Andy Farnsworth.
Starting to see a little bit of delay on Tuolumne County on SR 36. Some backups prior to the Mills Junction intersection in Stansbury Park. Then some stop and go for a block or two in Layton. Also getting a little worse, Bangor Highway near the 201 freeway. So far, I-15 running at the full speed limit as you head towards downtown, Eric.
Well, yesterday was a major problem in Lehigh on I-15. This morning got no problems. We've got dry roads, no accidents reported right now from Provo all the way to Point of the Mountain and Timpanogos Highway. Drivers, they'll find this a lot more to their liking. Westbound from Highland, Alpine, Cedar Hills, no trouble over to the freeway. Heather?
We've got some really slow traffic all of a sudden. Southbound I-15 moving through Clearfield. I'm not sure if there's an accident or debris. I haven't seen anything on the cameras, but it's going to add a few extra minutes to your commute as you make your way from Clearfield into Layton. Once you do get into Lake Mill, you're back up to freeway speeds, and that stays that way all the way into downtown Salt Lake. Get a 3% same-day cash bonus when you transfer a balance to a Mountain America credit card by February 29th. For details, visit macu.com/cards. Heather Kelly in the KSL Traffic Center.
Traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on the 9s. And let's find out about that forecast. Over to you, Grant.
Things cleared up, but they're certainly on the cold side here the next couple of days. Chilly temperatures this morning, but we'll take the sunshine today. Highs right around 40 degrees, and tomorrow mostly sunny and 41. I'm Grant Wayman, KSL at the Center.
You're listening to Utah's Morning News with Tim Hughes and Amanda Dixon on KSL News Radio 102.7 FM and 1160 AM. Good morning, KSL News Time is 6:30.
It's 25 degrees.
Traffic looking pretty good, but starting to see some delays in Davis-Weber County. I'm Andy Farnsworth.
We're following a developing story on Utah's Morning News. The Boy Scouts of America has filed for bankruptcy.
The organization is facing hundreds of sexual abuse lawsuits. KSL News Radio's John Bochek is live in the KSL 24-hour News Center with more, John.
Amanda, the Boy Scouts celebrated their 110th anniversary earlier this month, and at that time they listed liabilities between $100 and $500 million while having only 50,000 or less in assets. The number of youths taking part in scouting has dropped below 2 million, down from more than 4 million in peak years of the 70s. The bankruptcy documents were filed in a Delaware court earlier this morning, and now because of the bankruptcy filing, hundreds of lawsuits from alleged sexual abuse victims across the country are now going to be suspended. Live, John Bochek, KSL News Radio.
KSL weather now with Brian Wayman. A much different day than we had yesterday, thankfully. We can expect clear skies with very little chance of snow showers. However, it looks like it will be colder than normal.
Cool, but sunshine all the way through most of the week. It finally warms up to near the average high by the time we get to Friday. It will warm up quite a bit on Sunday, but that's a warm before the storm day. Our next storm is looking like the first of next week, and it looks like we will count on more snow showers at that point. But till then, no stormy weather all the way through the end of the week and weekend.
Grant says temperatures on Saturday will be in the mid-40s, lower 50s, and windy on Sunday.
Thousands of people showed up for a Salt Lake town hall meeting featuring Democratic presidential candidate Pete Buttigieg. KSL TV's Matt Rascone was there.
On the national stage, he has shaken things up, pulling ahead of the pack with 22 delegates, just ahead of Senator Bernie Sanders and far ahead of the rest of the candidates. Here in Salt Lake, he praised Senator Mitt Romney for his vote. Told the crowd that